Good morning. Chief Meteorologist Quincy Vagel here for the WestCon Weather Team with an update on the storm. We do have a snowstorm on our hands even though the month is October, so let's get into it right now. At 10 a.m. here in Danbury, 39 degrees. It is above freezing, so you might be thinking, well, how's it going to snow at 39 degrees? Look at that dew point. It is 27 degrees, so once that precipitation moves in, we will see temperatures tumble through the 30s. Across the East Coast, here's the setup. We have one low pressure system with tropical moisture across Florida, another low off the North Carolina coast. These storms will combine into one very intense nor'easter and move up the East Coast. In fact, with cold air in place, we're going to see a situation that's more typical of December or January than October. So snow is going to fall, and it'll be here within the next couple of hours. Across the Northeast, here's the precipitation moving up into the Danbury area. It appears to be precipitating right now, but there is dry air in place. Give it an hour or two, and you're going to see a little bit of light rain. Further to our west, this black line is basically the rain-snow line. So we have snow across Pennsylvania and a lot of heavy rain here in the mid-Atlantic states. With all those yellows, that is heavy rain with some thunderstorms and a little bit of sleet mixed in, but you basically get the idea. A lot of heavy precipitation is moving into our area pretty soon. For my Futurecast radar here at 10 a.m., the rain is knocking on Danbury's doorsteps. By about noon is when that precipitation moves in. And by 1 p.m. we should have steady light rain. The rain could be mixed with a little bit of snow, but with temperatures still above freezing, it will stay rain for the first couple hours. Don't be fooled though, by 4 p.m. that rain-snow line shifts quickly to the south and east. We should have moderate to heavy snow at 4 p.m. here in Danbury. As we head through the evening, conditions get even worse as the sun goes down. 7 p.m., heavy snow with some strong winds here, and the same is really the case for 10 p.m. So basically, stay off the roads if you can tonight. I would say after about 4 p.m. is when it gets really bad. So again, recapping, noon, 36 degrees. Rain could be mixed with a little bit of snow. Head through the evening hours, that heavy, wet snow will cause temperatures to tumble through the 30s. And again, worst conditions from 4 p.m. on, so I would advise you not to travel if you can help it later on tonight. Overnight, snow and windy. The snow does end after midnight, a low of 30 degrees, but the damage will be done. And if you're wondering how much snow I'm expecting, get a load of this. Here in Danbury, 5 to 10 inches of snowfall. We are in the southern end of this line, so I'd say on a low end of 5 to 10 inches. But across the northwest hills of Connecticut, especially across the higher terrain, there could easily be a foot of snow with 10 inches plus in my forecast. And what's also interesting to note is even New York City and Philadelphia, they could be talking about 1 or 2 inches of snowfall. That's New York City there, and then Philly a little bit further to the south. Unreal. This does not happen very often in the month of October. And looking at snowfall totals again, here in Danbury, about 6 inches give or take. Same in Waterbury, more to the north, and even the shoreline gets 1 to 3 inches. Again, a remarkable snowstorm. We may not see this again in our lifetime, so if you like snow, get out there and enjoy it. You can watch us on the web at wcsu.edu/weather. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and look for Nick with his broadcast on Sunday. This has been Chief Meteorologist Quincy Vagel for the WestCon Weather Team. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy that snowfall out there.